Hello, guys. Welcome to Dreamhub. Today, we are about to show you how you can apply for a scholarship around the world. There are a lot of scholarships that are very untapped, mostly are extended, but still they are still not accessed by international students. So today, I'm coming to help you find you where you'll be able to access these scholarships. Now, you will start by opening our Google, the web page. Then you type IEFA scholarship. It's a hub for all scholarships, a lot of the untapped or extended scholarship that you can apply as an international student. Now, after the page is open, we will go to About to learn a little about this website. It's called International Education and Financial Aid, and what they seek to achieve is discover financial and aid opportunities. Also connect with other students who have been applying for such loans and scholarships. Now they have their Facebook, YouTube, and other channels that you can connect to. Now let's come to the main reason why we are here. We are here to seek for scholarships. So we open the scholarship tab, and sorry guys, my network is not that running fast. Now we have opened the scholarship tab. The first field must always be left blank. Yes, it must be left blank. Now the second field, what are you studying? So you have to check the program that you intend to pursue. Now I choose computer information systems. Then you'll be asked, where are you studying the program? Then as I'm in Ghana right now, I decided to choose United States because that's where the program will be held, and I'm in Ghana. Now I'm searching. So it's going to filter it and give me scholarships that I am very eligible. So here they are. We have the Empower Women in STEM scholarship, Review Aid scholarship, Orange Soft Women in Technology Schools scholarship program, Hope College International Student Scholarship. Then the field that you have to pursue to be eligible, and the description of the scholarship. So they are all listed over here. Now we will choose one of the scholarships and see how it goes. Okay, now we are here. Catholic High School Award. The program that means you will make you eligible, and the scholarship amount. Now let's choose one of the scholarships and see what it really entails. Freshman Merit Scholarship. That's what we are choosing. Now we have the Freshman Merit Award. The reason why we have no submission deadline is because it's a rolling scholarship. The amount is awarded to potential international students as application comes to their office or department. As you apply, the institution has the power to roll this scholarship day by day as it goes by. Now, for us to get the link or the proper description of our program, the first thing that we're supposed to do is register, because we have to register to see the scholarship link and others. The link that you use to apply for the scholarship. Okay. Now we are coming to choose another scholarship and see how if you're able to get to know the details of the scholarship. Now we're choosing Empower Women in STEM scholarship. So we have that one too. That one has a submission deadline, which is December 31st, and the scholarship description is below. So the scholarship awarded. Okay. So number of awards, it will be given to illiterate student international applicants or students to pursue such a program. So these science and others. So guys, thank you for your attention, and let's have a great day. Continue to subscribe, like and share this page on YouTube, and more and good updates about scholarship and admissions will be posted. Thank you guys. Bye.